must say first God's blessing. So before I start off with it, I'd invite Dr. Arokya Swami, the Managing Director of IED Communications, to say a few words.
Thanks to Lord for his blessings for grand success of the exhibition. Thank to our Board of Governors, Steering Committee, exhibitors from USA, UK, China, Taiwan, and speakers, delegates, and visitors from USA, UK, Germany, Vietnam, Brazil, China, Singapore, Indonesia, Australia, and Hong Kong. And delegates, press, and stall builders and IED team. Thank you.
So thank you, Dr. Arokya Swami. And, that was a thank you from the bottom of our hearts. So I'd like to show you just a very small glimpse of the last 4 days that we have compiled in this video. So allow me a few minutes.
My name is Atul Patil, Head Marketing, Mitsubishi Electric India FID Division. It's the first time automation has been organized on the virtual platform. We have witnessed a good number of visitors on our stall and look forward to interacting with them. I really appreciate the efforts from the organizer and congratulate them for hosting a successful event and wish them all the best for their upcoming endeavors. Thank you.
I'm Joseph Cherian, Sales Director for Automation Combined. I wish to take this opportunity to thank IED Communication team for organizing their first virtual exhibition, Automation Expo Connect 2021. We at Automation Combined had a wonderful experience attending the expo as the event partner. During the 4-day online exhibition, Automation Combined team touched base with over 600 visitors in our booth. I wish to personally thank all the visitors for attending the online exhibition and for making it a grand success. Thank you very much.
Good morning. The Virtual Automation Expo 2021 has been a wonderful experience for Bogo Technology India Private Limited. This digital platform made possible for our team to interact with several customers from all across the globe through audio, video, and WhatsApp chat. Overall, our team made a good impact, and thanks to IED making Virtual Expo a great success.
I would like to congratulate IED Communications for arranging such a wonderful online exhibition. All the technical presentations in Industry 4.0 and technical papers were very informative and very futuristic. This was very well coordinated. A lot of hard work was put in by the organizers. So we would definitely be looking forward for actually more physical exhibition in 2022. I would like to once again congratulate IED Communications for their hard work for this.
Hi, I am Sahil Chopda, representing Mason Systems. Participating in the Automation Expo Connect was a new and exciting experience, bringing customer closer to us for better understanding of our products and offerings. This in turn can generate more inquiries and we hope will boost our sales. The virtual expo was well organized by IED team and assist us at every stage. We look forward to the next Automation Expo from IIT. Thank you and take care.
Which will mature and grow by the years. Of course, entire team of IID, led by Karo Arakyaswamy, Jyoti, Benny, and everybody, must have a lot of sleepless night to create such a wonderful platform and bring us such a seamless experience. Please consider me at your side in future, as always. Thank you all, BOGs, delegates, visitors, for such a wonderful response. Thank you.
So that was a short presentation about what was in the last 4 days that we summed it up for you. Just another two more slides. Another two more slides that we show you. So this is the, of course, the last 4 days, all of you have been entering the exhibition hall, the virtual exhibition hall. So we just have just two slides as we take you to what has happened there.
Jyoti, sorry to interrupt in between. There are some Zoom controls which are coming on the top. If you want, I can share the presentation for you in a better manner.
That's all. We have only this one.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so these are the visitors that we had. Total number of visitors at 1623 hours cost 9,750. So we have already crossed the 9,800 mark. And I believe by tonight we will cross the 10K. And we had the visitors from all across the globe. Mainly our visitors was from India, and we had visitors, some of them from the Middle East, some of them from Singapore, Malaysia, and the others even from Europe and the Australia. So this was a very interesting concept for us. For the first time that we had the networking session that was done on a platform of on a virtual platform. And I must say this is one of the first that has never been introduced. So with this, we had 6,000 messages interchanged, between the exchange between the exhibitors and the visitors. So that was something very interesting, and we are very happy that the exhibitors and the visitors have taken this opportunity to interact. And of course, the photo booth. I'm so happy to see that we had so many people making use of this photo booth, writing to us, and the scribble wall. So the kind of comments that we have got. In fact, if I could just keep on sharing this slide, I could just keep on talking so much about the slide, the photo booth and the scribble wall and the comments coming. In fact, in just a few minutes, in an hour, we managed to get a few comments from our exhibitors. Please keep checking on for our video on the entire show, and definitely you will be seeing that there is a lot that happened during the 4 days. So firstly, at this point of time, before we close, as we started with God's blessing, first of all, again, I thank God that he made all things possible. And as we put this entire show in his hands, he drew it beautifully, and we stand happy here together. We just want to thank God for that. At this time, I'd like to thank our Board of Governors, 43 people who are here behind. This is the backbone of IED, the 43 Board of Governors who are always there, challenging us to take the show to the next level. Even when we did the mock run, we had so many comments, each of them, a steering committee who is meeting every week, all of us together. This is not just one single person. The 43 Board of Governors and of course the team IED, I must say, fantastic job. We just had 4 months to pull up this entire show, with coming up with 100+ booths from 6 countries. We never thought that we'd be able to get so many countries participating, because of the very fact we just had only 4 months. And within this 4 months, the support that has come, we want to thank all our thank our team, our team IED, our Board of Governors, that includes the steering committee also. So it was all a joint effort that really pulled this show up so well. And The visitors, we are amazed. I must say, the visitors have really shown how passionate they are about automation. I'm so happy to see all of them. 2 years, we have not seen each other physically, but still they have made it a point to come to the automation exhibition, and that shows the passion of the visitor. I thank each and every visitor, whether you are watching us now or you are, will be watching this video later. From the bottom of our hearts, a special thank you that, even in this new normal that you chose and you were here with us, you are making this possible, that we are going to reach this 10K in a few hours from now. The show will be live until 11:59 hours Indian, that is 2300 hours and 59 minutes Indian Standard Time. So it's all because of the enthusiasm and the kind of the support, the comments that you give us. We are really so happy. We are thankful to each one of you from the bottom of our hearts. We had 41 technical presentations. We had 41 technical presentations. Never we have done this even in our physical show. And I must say, each of the technical presentations had a minimum of 50 to 52 people in each and every session. We had 16 Industry 4.0 presentations. We had 4 technical conferences. We started with the experts talk, followed by the IoT conference, the cyber security conference, and the factory automation conclave that just ended. Each of them superb attendance. The kind of crowd who comes to the webinar, they are not a floating crowd. You see them right from the time they have entered till the end of the event. They are here. And the interaction that you see, of course, we see most of them are waiting for the first person to put the questions on the chat box. And once the first question comes, and then you have immediate other questions. And I'm sure, just like the earlier webinars, we are going to be flooded with questions. Even the last 3 days, we have had questions in which we are going to be giving it to our speakers. So this is the kind of interaction that is there, the kind of technology that our speakers bring, the kind of information, the expertise. This cannot happen anywhere without all of you speakers. I must thank you again. Thank you for being there with IED. Thank you for partnering with us in this virtual platform. This is our first endeavor to make this virtual exhibition possible, because 2 years we have been out of sight. We have not been able to interact with you. And now it gives me great pleasure to say thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for being there. Thank you for supporting us. And at this time, I'd like to thank, as I said, once again, our Board of Governors, our steering committee, especially to all of you. There has not been as I've mentioned over and over again, there has not been a single weekend which I have not taken and we have not worked on this to make this virtual platform. And then along with our Board of Governors, all together we have made it. And of course, I must say special thanks to Team Ibentosh, thanks to Harpreet, thanks to Ronak, thanks to Siddharth, thanks to Ravi, thanks to Ashwini, thanks to Karthik, Praveen, thanks to Anup, Sahil, and if I have mentioned Ravi, and if I have forgotten anyone, please excuse me. The team of Ibentosh, again, we work we synchronize with each other, and we have made it possible. I mean, this event is made possible, the whole team together. And thank you all once again. And may I just request, just as we close, just if our steering committee can just come on the screen, all of us would like to say a thank you to all of you. I just request our steering committee to please come on screens, and as we just close up, a thank you from all of us. Mehta sir, and
Yeah, I'm there.
Harpreet, can we have it on the grid view? Can we have all of our steering committee there?
Yeah, I think Jyoti, the stream is going in the grid view only. Don't worry.
Okay. So here we have all our steering committee and even Harpreet. So thank you all. And as we are going to meet you for the next show, till then, please keep looking at our automation website. Lots more new to come. And thank you until we meet physically or the new way in 2022. Until then, stay safe and goodbye. Thank you once again.
Goodbye.
Well done.
Excellent.